you get the 4 pieces shown. The best way to do this is assemble it on the table and then take it to the Jeep and install it in the center console. So the 3 small pieces are identical, so take the long piece and notice the text telling you to slide and put the divider on this side. These are dovetail joints, so you'll take the small piece, make the dovetail up, and slide it top to bottom, and as you slide it down you'll get to the point where you can attach the tab at the bottom to lock it together. It snaps into place, and then what you'll notice on this side is the other 2 dividers go in these 2 slots. Same procedure. Take the dovetail, line it up, push down on it until you hear it click. One more time, dovetail, slide down till it clicks. Now it's all locked together and ready to put into the center console on the Jeep. Here's the final step, inserting the organizer into the center console, fully assembled. First thing you want to do is put it in this orientation. Put the piece in that'll be going to the front first, and the single leg down, and then slide it into the console at a 45-degree angle, as you see there. Now that it's in that position, it's touching the bottom of the console, and you're going to want to rotate it 45 degrees counterclockwise, and it'll snap right into position. Now it's fully installed, it's touching all the walls, and it's ready to load back up with all the things that you keep in your center console.